Hello. To integrate Google Sheet in the GoSurvey application, first of all we have to create one survey which we have to integrate in Google Sheet. We have to log in with credential. On the integration section we have to click on connect, from which account we have to sync. After successfully login in Google, it will authorize. On clicking settings screen, we have to add the select the survey and add the URL of sheet which we have to configure. You have to paste the URL of sheet and just click on save. After configuring the Google Sheet, we have to submit one response. In GoSurvey application, submitted response will display here, and same response will display in Google Sheet after performing the sync now action. After clicking on sync now, the uploaded data will display in Google Sheet. Thank you.